Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to solve high RAM or memory usage in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set 001. Click and expand services. Open NDU folder. Open Start. Change value to 4. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart your system. Second method is, type services in Windows search bar. Click Services. Open SYS main service. Stop the service. Startup type is disabled. Apply, OK. Restart your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.